First you need to put the key in. It's a number 0 at the minute. Turn it to number 1. There should be a mini hole. Mini hole right there. You see it? You want to press. I use a peg. Metal peg, something that's sturdy and strong enough. You want to press in this hole. You also need a Phillips screwdriver. Can you see? Right. I'm going to press in this other one. And you press in the other one as well. Do that one first. Press this one in first. Lean it on your jaw. This. Then force this one in. Keep forcing it. And it'll pop out there, yeah? Now from this point, on this other side here, this hole, I don't know if you can see inside there, there should be like a silvery bar looking thing. Now use your peg, or something that's small enough to get in that hole, and you want to press that way, and get underneath it, and it releases it even more. And it should just pop straight out. Yeah? You see that? To go back in, it should be just the reverse. You have to be delicate with this. I'm going to do it again another way for when it doesn't work out and it doesn't go back in, because this is what happened to me. So what you want to do, back to number 1, let's get back to where we were before. So number 1, press that button in, hold this part with your jaw, use your pin, if you can see, press it and it's popped again, so that's popped. So you pull that a little bit, then grab your pin, flip it over to the other side, push down, you're watching, so as you push that it releases it even more. Remove. Remove this so it's out your way. There we go. And then take this off, this unit. You want to turn this that way. You want to turn it this way. so it pops off. So that's popped off. You can even take that out. Take that out. And this. Okay. See, and this is a problem I had before, where you can't physically get it in. So bear with me. What you do is get yourself some pliers, which I have somewhere. But you can see on the inside here, you can turn it all the way that way. You can see the little nodule in the middle that's spinning. You can spin it all the opposite way. Well, you want that little nodule, this bit right here, that bit, with a little slot out of it. That needs to face where it says, if you can see in writing on here, it says M77. So it's facing that. And this hole faces this hole too. Alright. Faces that hole. So it's pushed the whole unit up a little bit. And to go back in, put it on number, hang on. Put it on number 1, and go to number 2, still nothing. Use your pliers on the other end. And put this on number 3. So then this part here lines up with that part in there, if you can see. Yeah, it faces the same direction. This is number 3. Only goes in one way. It goes in. Pull on this part. That was on number 3. And now, to get this bit sorted, what we need to do is grab this part that faces in like this, move that out of the way so it can go in. It's on a spring so it pushes up and down. Use your other spring, this one goes on top of there. This piece only goes on one way, which is that way. Stick it on top. You might need to press that down first. Just turn it, just so it's holding that down. And this piece only goes one way, like I said earlier. That goes in, slots in nicely, hopefully. Wrong way. That way. It goes in that way. One side's got a ring for where the spring sits. That other side faces up, and then twist and turn. This part here goes back on.